Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we have came up with a video that is about the online certification that is for free from Microsoft. We will be talking about everything in this video. What is the thing, what is the training about, and what are the things important if you want a free certificate from Microsoft, because a certificate of Microsoft, think of it, because if you are from your CSE background, then CSE or IT, any related field from the CSE, computer science, so you might be knowing about the importance of Microsoft certification. So we'll be talking about everything in this video. What are the things, how can you apply for the certification, what you need to do in the certification, what is the training pattern. We will tell you about everything in the video. So before starting this video, please hit that like button. Please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel, because we are coming up with these kind of videos that will be very beneficial for you. If you are going from any job updates, for any interview tips, for any interview experience, so these are kind of videos will be very beneficial for you. So just consider subscribing it and press that bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. So let's start with the video, and what are the things important, we'll tell you everything in this video. So the very first step is open any browser. As I have opened my Microsoft Edge, and I will just paste this link. This link will be also provided in the description also. So you just need to go in the description and open this link. Firstly, you just see this. पहले ये सारी चीजें देख लो. Just see this, that what are the things, what is in this training pattern, what is it going to happen. So we will talk about everything. So the first thing is that Microsoft AI classes classroom. It will be like a training pattern, a training program for if you are from anything, you are a graduate or postgraduate or anything. If you are in a school also, then also you can fill this. Okay, it is a basic training pattern. Okay, then talking about from December 14th it will be conducted. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, these are the dates that it is going to be conducted. And talking about these are the, like you can see that it is sponsored by GitHub, and you can see how it works. Like if you want a certification, suppose you want a certification, then what you need to do in campus communication, then you will, suppose you will like apply for, register for it. Okay, you will you will register for it, attend the online session, you will get the online session, this session will be conducted, and after that what will happen, you will receive a mail of online assessment. Online assessment एक test होगा, basic test. After that what will happen, you have to take that assessment, and you will get 30 multiple choice question. 30 multiple choice question will be given to you, and if you get more than or equal to 60% of the marks, then you can get the certification. Else you can, like you can apply again for the, like you can retake the assessment again. These are the slots, you can choose any of that and register any of that, and it will be like you can choose any. It is written that limited seats are there, then you have to choose any of that. You can choose on 14 December, Monday, any of it. These are the slots that are available. It is a one day, only one day you need to require, like one day, three hours. It will take you 3 hours of one day, and you can attend this session and you can get certified from for the AI. As you know about AI, that it is booming in this current era. So this is the session pattern, that these things are going to happen. ये चीज़ें होने वाली हैं, ये चीज़ें इंडस्ट्री ट्रॉक लाइव, ये डेटा साइंस लाइफ साइकिल, उसके बाद बिल्डिंग मशीन लर्निंग मॉड्यूल्स ऑन एज्योर, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज्योर के बारे में आपने हो सकता है सुना होगा, हो सकता है नहीं सुना होगा, सर्च कर लेना एक बार. एज्योर, हाँ, सर्विस है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की, AI मशीन लर्निंग के डेटा सेट्स के लिए मेनली समझ सकते हो. दीज आर द स्पीकर्स, ये स्पीकर्स हैं, देख लो इनके क्वालिफिकेशंस क्या क्या हैं. तो ये चीज़ें हैं, दीज आर द स्पीकर्स. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द असेसमेंट, सपोज असेसमेंट और इसके लिए बात करें तो असेसमेंट सर्टिफिकेशन में क्या होगा कि एक अटेंडेंस होगी, एक पोस्ट अटेंडेंस, एक क्या नाम है सर्टिफिकेशन, मतलब एक असेसमेंट होगा, उसमें मल्टीपल चॉइस 20 मिनट मिलेगा, 30 क्वेश्चन, यू विल हैव 30 क्वेश्चंस. you will get 3 attempts to clear the assessment. Suppose you get 3, suppose your link is live on 19th of December. 19th को जब ये सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा, 19 को सारा कुछ, उसके बाद योर असेसमेंट विल बी लाइव. सो यू हैव अ डेट फ्रॉम 19 to 30th of December. यू कैन गिव 3 times, 3 बार ये असेसमेंट दे सकते हो, और ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट AI का वर्कशॉप का पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट आपको मिल जाएगा अगर आपका 60% से ऊपर आ जाता है. ठीक है. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द पैटर्न, ऑल अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट दे आर गोइंग टू टेल अबाउट. And AI is very booming in this era, and it is very very interesting also, so you can learn about it. So it will increase your level of the resume. You can upload on your LinkedIn also, so ये चीजें आप कर सकते हो. So this was all about the Microsoft AI Classroom. And what you need to do to register, just click on register now, and you just need to click, suppose I go for Monday, सपोज आई गो फॉर मंडे 14th दिसंबर, एक स्लॉट मैंने चूज कर लिया. यहाँ पे ये सारा ये दे दिया. यहाँ पे मैं यहाँ पे जब कंप्लीट कर लूंगा, सो आई विल क्लिक ऑन रजिस्टर. आई विल गेट अ मेल, आई हैव रजिस्टर फॉर दिस. ओके, 2 से 5:30 के बीच में ये होगा. फ्रॉम 2 o'clock टू फ्रॉम आफ्टरनून 2 o'clock टू 5:30. इट विल बी ऑफ 3 आई थिंक सो 3.5 घंटे का सेशन होगा. तो सारा चीज़ ये अच्छा है. नासकॉम और फ्यूचर स्किल्स, इन सब के कोलैबोरेशन में बहुत अच्छा ये होने वाला है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की तरफ से. तो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं आप. यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर देता हूँ, मतलब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट AI ट्रेनिंग. So in this video, we have talked about everything about Microsoft AI training. How can you get this free certification? What are the things important? And what is the benefits of attending this training program? And what is the benefit of getting that certification? This was all about the certification. And if you want more updates like this, please hit that like button, so we also get some motivation. हमें भी कुछ motivation मिले ऐसी videos बनाने का. और hit that bell, subscribe button, नीचे जाके subscribe button दबा दो, ताकि ऐसी वीडियोस, वी मेक वीडियोस ऑन जॉब नोटिफिकेशन, ऑन जॉब अपडेट्स, ऑन इंटरव्यू टिप्स. सो यू विल गेट अ वीडियो ऑन these kind of videos. So press that bell icon too, so you never miss an update whenever we upload a video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video with some more informative topics. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.